welcome to the Audi press conference at the Shanghai Auto Show 2021. The Audi Golden Decade strategy is focusing on three core pillars: our governance structure, our partner strategy, and our product connectivity and digitalization development. I have to say, today, Audi, FAW, and SAIC are writing automotive history in China. Three leading OEMs join forces and create the strongest alliance in our industry ever. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Dear media friends, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Audi A6 E-Tron concept, the all-new Audi Q5L and the all-new Audi A7L. And with these, you get a feeling for the substance of the biggest product offensive by Audi ever. The Audi A6 E-Tron concept is going to build on our PPE platform, and the platform is developed under Audi's leadership together with Porsche. Our A6 E-Tron concept convincing with an outstanding and unmistakable Audi design, the iconic single frame, and an outstanding aerodynamic value of just 0.22. And the car will further offer an E-range of more than 700 kilometers and will be ready for high voltage charging of 270 kilowatts. And Audi drivers will just need 10 minutes to charge the battery to a level sufficient to power the car more than 300 kilometers. So welcome to the future of Audi. Mr. Chu.
It can be said the sincere cooperation between FAW and Audi has been a role model for international cooperation of automobile companies over the decades. It has not only laid the foundation for the success of Audi brand in China and even the global market, but also will lead Audi brand to greater brilliance. Looking forward to the future, the cooperation between FAW and Audi in the premium electric vehicle platform PPE marks a new era of the cooperation between the two parties. Thank you. Now, the global automotive industry is facing a huge revolution, redefining everything from product to business models. We need to develop a new understanding of our customers, premium, and technology, and reshape the business ecosystem. We must accept change, break boundaries, and innovate. This can help Audi to lead on a new track and be invincible in future competition. In the next 3 years, 4-star models will be brought to the market. The first SAIC flagship model is the brand new Audi A7L. We position as a C+ class business vehicle, combines both elegance and sportiness, inherits the original German driving experience DNA. It does not only provide customers with a multi-dimensional and premium experience, but also redefines the flagship standard of Chinese premium cars. Another vehicle that's also marking its market premiere is the Audi Concept Shanghai. The first SAIC Audi premium electric SUV used the new Audi E-Tron family design language in script-based HD matrix LED headlights and AR HUD. Believe it can write a new chapter in China, for China, and lead the new premium mobility era in China. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And dear Mr. Chu, dear Mr. Wang, I'm very proud of our joint strategic alignment. And together, we are going to create the strongest ever Audi in China. And we are off to a great start already. In 2020, for the first time ever, we have sold more than 700,000 units in China. In Q1 2021, this trend is continued. We delivered over 200,000 units to our premium customers, with especially our imported models enjoying highest demand. Ladies and gentlemen, Audi's future is going to be sustainable, electric, digital, and connected. And our vision is to become the #1 provider of premium sustainable mobility. Thank you very much for being with us here today.